Today is a very special day.
It is the first day of school.
Backpacks are ready. Lunchboxes are ready. Water bottles are ready. Shoes are ready. I hope everything goes smoothly today.
Good morning, honey. Why did you wake up so early?
I feel excited and a little nervous.
Nervous? Why are you nervous today?
It is Ryan and Yummy's first school day.
Oh, yes. Our little kids are growing up. Did you prepare everything already?
Yes, I checked everything 3 times.
You are the best planner in this house.
I just want them to have a perfect day.
They will. Everything looks ready.
Should I wake them up now?
Yes, please. I will prepare breakfast.
All right, let us make this day wonderful.
Yes, let us do it together.
Good morning, sleepyheads. 5 more minutes, please.
Is it morning already?
Yes, and this is a special morning.
Why is it special, Mom?
It is your first day of school.
Really? Today is the day?
Yes. Come on, time to get up.
I am excited now. Me too, but I feel nervous too.
That is normal, sweetheart.
Your mom and I felt that way too.
Will we make new friends today?
Of course. You will meet many friends.
Okay. I am getting up now.
Great. Brush your teeth and wash your face.
And then breakfast?
Yes! I am making something delicious.
Yummy! Let us go fast. First day of school, here we come. Where is my toothbrush?
It is right there by the cup.
Oh, I see it now. Oops, 2 more toothpaste.
Gently squeeze. Only a little is enough.
Brush up and down and round and round.
Look at me. I am brushing well. Do not forget your back teeth. Now I rinse with water. Rinse and spit. Done!
Kids, are you done in there?
Come here. It is time to get dressed.
We are coming right now. Our uniforms are ready?
Yes. Fresh, clean, and ready for school.
Wow, mine looks very nice. I like this shirt so much.
Go ahead and get dressed quickly.
Okay, Mom. Where are my socks? They are on the table next to you. Oh, now I see them. Mom, can you help with my buttons?
Of course. Come here, sweetheart. There you go. All done now.
Thank you, Mom.
Now put on your shoes.
Okay, I am ready now. How do I look, Mom?
You look very smart.
I am ready too.
Wonderful! You both look perfect.
I feel like a big girl now.
Me too. I feel really big. Great! Now take your backpacks.
I am so excited for school. Me too. Let us eat breakfast.
Breakfast is ready. Come and sit down.
looks amazing. I can't wait. Wow, it smells so delicious. I am very hungry.
Sit properly and start eating.
Okay.
You both look great in your uniforms.
Thanks, Dad. We are ready for our first day. Here is your milk.
Be careful. It is still warm.
Thank you, Mom.
Eat well. You need energy for school.
I still feel a little nervous.
That is okay. You will do great.
Will you pick us up later?
Yes,
Yes,
we will be there on time.
that makes me feel better.
Finish your breakfast, please.
I am almost done.
Do not forget your lunch boxes.
I packed mine already. Mine is ready too.
Good job. We will leave after breakfast.
Are you both ready now?
Yes, Mom. I am ready. Me too. I am ready.
Do you have your lunch boxes?
Yes, it is in my hand. I am holding mine too.
And your water bottles?
I have mine right here. Mine is in my hand too.
Good. You are very responsible today.
Are your shoes on properly?
Yes, Dad. They feel comfortable.
Mine feel good too.
Excellent. Stay together at school.
We will, Mom. I am excited and nervous again.
That is normal, sweetheart.
Just enjoy your day and be kind.
Okay, we are ready to go.
The con, everyone! The car is ready!
First day of school, let us go.
Everyone, get inside the car now.
Are you all buckled up?
Yes, I am all set. Me too. I am ready.
Great! Let us go!
I want to sit by the window. I want to see the school first.
You will see it very soon.
Look, there are many kids outside.
Yes, they are going to school too.
I see a big yellow school bus.
Wow. It looks so nice. We are almost there now.
My heart is beating very fast.
Do not worry. It will be a great day. First day of school.
Here we come!
Look,
We are here.
wow, this is our school? It is so big and beautiful.
Yes. This is your new school.
I see many children there.
Okay, everyone, let us get out.
I feel a little nervous again.
That is okay. We are here with you.
I think I can make new friends.
Of course! You will make many friends.
Stay together and listen to your teacher.
We will, Mom. I feel excited now.
That is the spirit!
Come on, it is time to go inside.
First day of school. Let us go.
Good morning. Welcome to school. Good morning. Today is their first day. That is wonderful. What are your names?
My name is Ryan. And I am Yummy.
Nice to meet you both.
Please take good care of them.
Do not worry. They are safe with me.
Mom, will you come back soon?
Yes. We will pick you up after school.
Okay, Mom.
Come with me, children.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. Have a great day.
Learn new things and have fun.
We will see you later.
This way, please. This is your classroom. Come inside and take a look.
Wow, there are many desks here.
I see colorful pictures on the wall. You can sit here together.
Okay, I like this classroom.
Class, we have 2 new friends today.
Hello, everyone. Hi, nice to meet you.
Please take your seats now.
Okay. Okay.
Let us start our day. Kids are growing up so fast.
Yes. Today is a big day for them.
They look happy and confident.
I think they will have a great day.
Ryan and Yummy started their school journey today.
They feel excited and a little nervous.
They are ready to learn new things.
They will make new friends soon.
What do you think will happen next?
Will they enjoy their first school day?
Join us next time to see more. New?
Do not forget to like and subscribe.
Share this story with your friends.
See you soon.